Piracy and counterfeiting affected our company in a number of ways.
Even if we squash one, another one will pop up in the same place. And so it's a huge waste of resources and time and money.
But it's actually gotten a lot better thanks to red points.
We're well over 16,000 listings that have been successfully taken down. My team and I could have never taken down 16,000 listings. In this time, we could do a few a day.
Redpoint's onboarding and implementation was very simple. Essentially, I would log on to their portal, I would see a list of infringing listings, and I would say confirm or deny.
It's quite straightforward. I'll come in the morning, I'll check if there's any new infringements and any that have been solved. I'll take some screenshots of those, send them to our distributors. I'm all done within 10 minutes.
Redpoints is helping us meet our long-term goals because they're saving us money and they're saving us time.